Hey Goombas, I'm out here in Morton, Pennsylvania, Delaware County. It's a cute area. It's got some shops right here on Morton Avenue, and there's a place here called Luca's that's serving up some really, really good, authentic Italian food. Okay, Goombas, we are at Luca's Cucina in Delaware County, Morton, Pennsylvania. I am with Luca
Buongiorno.
and Stephania.
Buongiorno.
They're the owners of this place, and I told you we're going to end 2024 with another great place to eat some Italian food, and no better place than this. But just tell everybody, Luca, what exactly do you serve here? I know you serve Italian food, but what are some of the items on your menu?
I love make gnocchi. This is the best seller in my life because you put in your mouth and they melt. So
No pillows to heaven.
Okay.
So the secret is, guys, you have to be passionate for this job. If you open your restaurant because you want to do money, you never do money. I show everybody the right way to make gnocchi, okay? I say tot flour, put ricotta, Parmigiano cheese, but never become the gnocchi same way I make.
He's a gnocchi master. That's what
Okay?
he's known for.
This is the best sell here.
The gnocchis are they're pretty much a staple throughout Italy, right?
Yes.
Yes, in
Yeah.
Italy we use potato.
Potato gnocchi.
Yeah, I can make potato too, of course.
Right.
People like
But
the
people
ricotta
love
ones.
Yeah.
They're much more lighter.
They're
You can eat like a whole bowl and still.
it's my daughter. It's
Yeah,
one of our
they're
favorite
incredible.
foods.
They're
Yeah.
incredible, yeah.
Yeah, they're like, would you say little pillows
So those
of
have.
Peppino,
that's what
cucina,
customers
mamma
say to us.
mia.
little pillows of happiness.
Move your hands when you talk Italian, guys.
So, how long have you been here? How long? When did you open up?
Almost.
We open
2 years.
almost 2 years.
2 years?
Almost.
Oh, you're pretty new.
Pretty
and
new,
you're doing good.
Yeah,
Yes.
great.
Yeah.
And what other besides gnocchis? What else do you serve here? Do you have
So we-
sandwiches, paninis?
Paninis on focaccia bread from Kasha's Bakery in South Philly.
Bingo.
Represent. We do the chicken parm. People love chicken parm, so
That's
they're
one of
known
my-
for that.
that's-
Nice big chicken parm.
My tier is
chicken
pizza,
pizza and
chicken parm.
yeah.
So if you ask my wife, what does Nikki Lance order when you guys go out to dinner? She's going to tell you chicken parm. I order it everywhere I go, over and over and over again. Another dish I always get is gnocchis. I love gnocchis, which makes this place perfect for me. What's your best dish?
The gnocchi.
Gnocchis?
Gnocchi cacio pepe.
Gnocchi cacio.
But you have
Many
different forms of
yes.
gnocchi.
Oh, yeah.
gnocchi. We have the pesto sauce. We have the rosé. We have cacio pepe, which resembles Alfredo sauce in America. We have an Alfredo.
Yeah.
We have the fresh tomato sauce. But I would say the tomato sauce and cacio pepe are the most top sellers.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're gonna have a bunch of different
You're gonna have a little bit of everything.
gnocchis here, and yes, for everybody in the United States and the Delco area, they do have chicken parm, and we all know I love me a good chicken parm. So you guys, did you know that chicken parm is not typically eaten in Italy? It is not a food that people eat in Italy. Really, what they eat in Italy is chicken parm came from veal parmesan, and then the immigrants that came to the United States substituted that with chicken, and that's how we got chicken parm. Sorry, I didn't mean to get all factual on you. Let's get started. We'll cook some stuff up, and then we'll give it a shot.
And down.
And I make gnocchi cacio, okay?
Okay? This is going to be hard to decide what the video is going to be about. Is it going to be about a chicken parm? Is it going to be about gnocchis? I'm thinking gnocchis.
This kind of cheese, you have 4 different kind of cheese. Parmigiano, pecorino, mozzarella, asiago. Bene, con amore, with love. Homemade arancini. No frozen, guys. Bene. Gnocchi atollo. Atollo, that's what my chef in Italy teach me at the beginning. Atollo, I start with mushroom and pancetta. Make pancetta crispy first. put mushroom, red wine, a little bit, take off the alcohol, get away the alcohol, yeah. Tomato sauce, basil pesto, cream a little bit, Parmigiano cheese.
All right, brother, what's your favorite dish here at... What are you doing, construction? What's your favorite dish here at Lucas?
Chicken parm.
That's your favorite?
Yep.
So what's your favorite here at Lucas?
Chicken parm.
Your chicken parm's a favorite?
Yeah.
You're scared of this camera, aren't you? How about you?
Chicken parm.
Chicken parm too? And you?
And gnocchi.
Spain.
Oh, look at that, brother. You make me proud, my friend.
Grazie.
Look how big this piece of chicken is.
Too much food in America.
All right.
It'll be cold now. Bro. Tender. The chicken's tender.
It's perfect.
That's why boom, boom, boom. When I make this, I want to give you another cigarette.
All right, so this I'm going to finish before I leave here today. So we got the thing of burrata in the middle here. This is.
Going for a dive.
I mean, look how good that looks. Are you kidding me?
Veramente.
All right, I lied. I'm going to finish that and that before I leave today. Seriously, man, this is great, man. This is like really good. This is the one your chef taught you?
Teach me in Italy.
In Italy.
Madonna, guarda. Allora, parmigiano. Watch the parmigiano, watch. Mamma.
All right.
Oh!
So this is what it would taste like you go to Italy, huh?
Yeah.
That's yeah, you literally brought Italy here. That's delicious.
Thank you.
Whoa. I feel like a broken record. I mean, everything is so good. It's so good. And then we have the rice balls. Look at
You see
that.
this? You're good.
So this has got smoked mozzarella
Mozzarella.
and some rice. Try it. I say mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. I'm trying to do it right. I'm trying. Trying. Your ass is like cutting an arm off.
I teach you. When you go in Italy, you're ready.
Yeah, right. That's delicious.
Another secret. If you see, no, you can see the rice one by one. It's not overcooked. Because I cook again and I finish to cook.
Right.
All the time. See, one by one, you see the rice.
You can see the individual grains of rice.
Yeah, you understand.
Right.
You understand my English?
So if you're out here in Delaware County or you don't mind driving out to Delaware County, Luca's got some awesome Italian food, guys. Those gnocchis were perfect. Luca and Stephania are like two of the nicest people I've met in a long, long time. And the customer service here is unbelievable. It's really, they're really, really nice people here. So you top that off with great food and you have a go-to, man. I'll see you next year, everybody.